Hello and welcome. It's very important to know that a repetition has a power within it. The repetition is the secret number one of so many successes in life. As you can see, today I'm on the beach. See here what the repetition, the repeated waves, what they have done, you can see. And daily repeated actions every day make results. As we say, the little drops break the stone. And the stone is so hard. The stone is very, very hard. But the little drops falling on it consistently, they are able to break it. That's why repetition, if you adopt repetition in your life, you will succeed in whatever you are doing. So, some people, they say, well, why? Why he brings every time the same story? It is a story that will benefit you. And why you hear it every time, it is because the repetition is able to make you understand all parts of it. Because when you listen to something only one time, you might be thinking about other things and you miss some part of the story. And that's why it is suggested to listen to the story so many times so that you can understand it. Because if you understand, you can implement. If you don't understand, it is very hard. If you don't understand something, you cannot implement it. That's why after listening to the story comes the implementation of the story. The implementation is action. This is the way you take action. And there is no reaction without action. There is no results without action. You cannot only listen to the story once and pretend to make use of it. Because as I said, you can miss a lot of parts of it, so many parts of it. And if you miss only one part, it makes a difference. It makes a difference, excuse my language. It makes a difference. So repetition is a good way to retain more informations. Because if you have the informations, you have everything. If you have the full informations, you can make use of them. If you have only a part, so you think you can make use of it, if you miss the other parts, it's no sense. There is no way to get the results you want. So By the way, this is what I have done in the last few years, and I'm so grateful for my mentors. I'm so grateful to my mentors for all these informations. Yeah, that's why I want to give it to you, to give you these informations, and so that you can make use of them. So keep in mind, repetition, 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 and never think about things you don't want. Instead, think about what you want, think about what you love most, and make use of it and take action. All right. Have an awesome day, everyone, and nice to see you again in the next video. Bye bye.